sick. Heart attack. Walked across the room. Heart attack. Reach the door, turn the heart attack. Find it locked, the shooting pain. I wanna start it all again. No, it was a big mistake. But what else had I then to do? So it does a threat to me. Had to take away from you. Turn around, I must be sick. Heart attack. Walked across the room. Heart attack. Reach the door, turn the heart attack. Find it locked, the shooting pain. I wanna start it all again. Would you like your life again? False start. Would you turn success away? False start. Would you keep your promises? False start. Don't think that I'll let you out. False start. Of my home, saw the world as it went down, but it won't affect me now. Time is running out, I found. Turn around, I must be sick. Heart attack. Walk across the room. Heart attack. Reach the door, turn the heart attack. Finally locked, the shooting pain. I wanna start it all again. Would you like your life again? False start. Would you turn success away? False start. Would you keep your promises? False start. Don't think that I'll let you out. False start. Looked out at the world in style. From the luxury coffin. Shall I make a comeback soon? Now I have the time to think. False start. False start. False start. False start. Job. Yes, I have a project for you. Kill him, name and loot and rob. Is it true that you have no heart? Do it without thinking twice. You say your soul is black as night. Has the power to entice. I look like to you, penetrating to the brain, controls the flowing of the thoughts, loses all that then remains. Crazy will. Innocence is all too weak. Hate you when you're standing still. said that it's going to be a long, long day, I believe. It's not getting late, and I've still got a long, long way to go. Received a message that said all that I wanted to know. Recording the radio waves with such primitive instruments, I see. Never put this in your head. When will step before you're dead? Leave the closeness far behind. When will step because you're blind? Realize it's far away. When will step for another day? Taste your own sweat on the lips. When will step it's one more trip. I never heard you say that you wanted to go away. Maybe that's why the time doesn't go very fast. You never left word for me when you said that you would. Maybe I'll hear something on the radio today. Now I know that it's going to be a long, long day. It never gets late, and I've got a long, long way to go. Why didn't you tell me that you were going to go away? Still recording the radio waves with such primitive instruments. So it covers my face. Why do you ask, am I more used to lace? How does it fit? It should slide into place. Now comes the bit. How does it feel when we're playing the game? When it is over I won't be the same. Put it in red, I must seek to redeem what's in my head, cause it seems like a dream. When I'm in pain am I being extreme? Now comes the chain. How does it feel when we're playing the game? When it is over I won't be the same. I cannot hear when you're calling my name. Don't let it be known, cause I can't stand the shame. Never be cross with me, I'll take the blame. You understand me, I'm glad that you came. Afraid cause I don't do it blind. Love can be hate, I just take where I find. Lost without hope in the dark of the mind. Now comes the road. How does it feel when we're playing the game? When it is over I won't be the same. I'm a socialist. And what are you? Believe that all men are equal, And where is the right to work and to live? And vote for this man and vote for his party. And what are you? As you can guess, my views are left wing. Politically aware, politically ashamed, and do everything many of the people. And what are you? Rights are not given. They must be taken. And let me diverse. And let me say this. Death to the state. And death to their laws. I looked around, it's my custom, but in the day, it seems so dumb. Wonder about, thought it my right. I close the eyes, in the bright light. Wait for the night, it comes now late. What has been done? Tempted my fate. I take the train, who knows not where, shall take my place when I get there. For a still life, live for a dreamer, dream for believing, faith for consuming, eat, risking a chance, the only one. Take it from here, it must be done. sense. Have you understood, you ask, and I reply that I heard the words and I shall soon decide if it is of use to me to act upon. Then you'll probably hear about it when you've gone. It takes a while to sink into my thick brain. I'll have to think it over and then come again. I'm not the one to jump to quick conclusions or be fooled by others' false illusions. It may seem to you that I am slow-witted, and people say that I am just a cool cynic. It took a long time to learn to be this way, so forgive me if I'm careful with what I say. many wars. The cause is never dear. Can't you see the stars? Maybe it was only fear, maybe it was only fear. And it's possible when I had to, I killed people. Maybe it was only you, maybe it was only you. No memory of what I ever did, or no loyalty, going for the highest bid, going for the highest bid. I am just a slave to my orders well, and I always gave when into the fires of hell, when into the fires of hell. And I am surprised from what I've been through, that I have survived. Maybe I'm immortal too, maybe I'm immortal too. I have a machine gun, find it makes me strong. I must have my fun, never thought it ever wrong, never thought it ever wrong. A fortune, we want a world at war. Our day, it will come soon. Don't tell us to wait some more, don't tell us to wait some more. We are mercenaries, we fight on every side. Send us where you want. We are for to never die, we are for to never die. I've always told lies, but what can I do? I can do without whining the cross. I can do without the pain of death. I can do without all of these things. So take it too serious, leave me alone. I'll choke on my own shit, I'm out on my own. If I start to run, turn me back. If I fall down dead, pick me up. If I'm in a rage, hold me down. If I talk too much, shut me up. I can do without the tears of distress. I can do without a hole in my head. I can do without all of these things. What would I do? Live and let live. You'll have to be careful, don't take what I give. I can do without fate and hope. I can do without what's gone by. I can do without all of these things. If there is something that I didn't mention, say it to me, don't attract my attention. Without all of you, I could do without all of these things. 1, 2, 3, here I go. Hang myself, yes or no. I could do without happiness. I could do without joy in my world. I could do without all of these things. Don't believe it, that is not true. I've always always told lies, but what can I do? I could do without. 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 Leave it alone, that one is mine. I saw it first, I made the find. Don't tell me I'm wrong, I know the rules. I read the book, I know how it's done. Start a collection, start with a one. Take it from there, right to the end. I don't give any tips, I don't give it away. Just as you see, or work and no play. Take my advice, I've done it so long. Competition is weak, my number one fan. A class of my own, that's where I am. I'll take a good look and try as you may. There's enough for everyone. I want my peace now. There's enough for everyone. I want it for my collection. Hold it right there. Is that one for me? Thank you, too kind. Don't let it free. That is the one. Completes my collection. There are dreams and there are dreams. You know what it's like when you wake up in the night in a cold sweat and there's nobody there? But this was different. There was somebody there. I know, I saw him. I had a dream and this dream it was real, but they never believed me. Cold though I was warm in the head and the soul. Stood on the highest edge of the world and looked down at what was still there. Held a conversation with me when it's night and it's dark and it's cold. I mean, why did they have to go and lock me up in here? I wasn't doing any harm, except maybe to myself. I mean, I'm a lonely person. I only needed somebody to talk to, or rather he found me because of time I didn't know that he existed. Why are you here, and why do you stare? Are you the fate I've been looking for? Give me a chance, can't you see that I'm young? I've never earned this thing at all. I mean, they don't even tell you about your sanity. They just let it go on and on and on and on until one day you just break. Probably from the shocks that they give you. So what can you do? Nothing really. I'll just wait a while because sooner or later they'll have to let me out. I mean, you gotta let me out. I mean, for Christ's sake, let me out. I mean, I got a right to be out the same as you. I want Thomas. I mean, think about Thomas. I like. What? I like him. Let me out. I'm not a fatalist. I haven't yet resigned myself to the fact that I've got to stay until somebody else says that I can go. I'm going to get any way that I can. Even if it means going inwards. And you know what that means. I mean, you can take it, abuse it, misuse it, and you can turn it any way you want. Yeah, you can have it. I don't want it anymore. And you can never say that I never gave you anything. That's the end. And God is a disease. He will play you for your fantasies. If he holds a dice, whichever way he throws, he still plays a game of chance with your memories. The state can do no wrong, and God is never sick. It is the perfect psychological trick. Leave it to the plebs, and they will play the game. But we know it's better to play the doubting cynic. Life is distracting, and kill yourself to win. Control your own destiny, and deny where you've been. God and the state will fight you for your soul. A state is not an empire. It doesn't take a lot of strength to bring it down in fire. Have it how you want, and say you want it all. Heed the flames of anarchy, and see them growing higher. God was never true, and God can only hide. And weak though you are, you'll always be denied. Force his hand to waver, and make him show his face. Love will never triumph when the power's on his side. God and the state will blame you when you are old. God and the state will leave you in this hell hole. Shit, you bastard! Though it's cold, I start to sweat. Feel the fear it creeps. Feel the fear it creeps. I'm feeling more. Did you call my punishment? What you set aside, what you set aside for my education? Don't you think it's gone too far? Point to his father. No motive known. He doesn't say. Now his cover is blown. No need to explain. His revenge is complete. The job is now done. Be it ever discreet. Playing with the savagery, playing with the savagery. Please keep your distance, or you get your fingers burned. Lock him in a cage, lock him in a cage, till he's in a civil truck. Under the anti-gun. Does he know what's happening? Does he know what's happening? What's his body turning to? Is it good for him to know? Put him in the dark, don't put him in the dark. Don't you know it's cruel? Don't you know affected him? What is his father? No motive known. He doesn't say. Now his cover is blown. No need to explain. His revenge is complete. The job is now done. Be it ever discreet. Please don't turn the lights out. Please don't turn the lights out. Please don't turn the lights out. No, 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 please don't turn the lights out. 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 No, please don't turn the lights out. No, please don't turn the lights out. Please don't turn the lights out. No, please don't turn the lights out. No, please don't turn the lights out. Please don't turn the lights out. Please don't turn the lights out.